morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, grain markets are trying to find support at these lower levels going into the export sales. The USDA acreage and stocks report tomorrow and the weekend. Again, we're looking at June precipitations percent of normal for much of the Midwest, below normal, and there are some crop scouts out on a crop tour. They started in Ohio yesterday and found a shorter corn crop than normal, some variable stands, and certainly a crop that is in need of some rain. They're in Indiana today and probably will find similar conditions. The European model is still suggesting a band of rain over the next 10 days from Nebraska across southern Iowa, northern Missouri, into central Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. This morning EU model expands that rainfall a little bit further south in parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Kentucky, but leaves Missouri mostly dry. So this is a big rain event. I think the weather supply bulls feel that 2 shots of 1 inch of rain across this area is not enough to push the crop higher. Yesterday we heard that one person who is pretty good at finding a U.S. corn yield based on crop conditions has a yield of 161. I think that's too low right now, and definitely USDA will not say that on July 12th, but there's a lot of people in that 172 area, and we really need to be below 165 in order to push the grains higher. Soybeans right now unchanged in the September at 1379. The high on June 21st was 1389. So we're now at 1279. In the corn, the high on June 21st was 624. We're now at 531. And for the wheat market, September wheat high was 770, and we're now at 670. So you can see how much the market has broke, in part because of weak demand for U.S. exports, but more importantly, this forecast of this pretty important rain over the next 10 days. Globally, weather conditions have improved in Europe, most of the Black Sea. We do see dryness in Argentina and parts of the eastern prairies of Canada, but we also are monitoring some dryness in northern China, although the area of dryness is somewhat small.